Yeah, yeah. Maybe एक घोंसले में रहता हूँ. I have to go back there. Not Sunday, but Saturday. Yes, we'll just.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Shazir Rafiq. Today I'm going to give you a short review on book Think and Grow Rich. Actually, this book was written by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill was an American author of the area of New Thought movement. He is one of the great writers on success, and he's one of the earliest producers of the modern genre of professional success literature. Actually, his works examine the power of thoughts, power of personal beliefs, and the role they play in our daily life. Actually, this book is about the power of thought. The book explores the power of thoughts to manifest strong desires and a definite purpose into life. By reading this book, we came to know that faith is a glue that holds it all together, and every achievement starts with a strong determination and strong belief and strong desire. And successful people, we see that.
Okay, that's good. Let's find two words you mispronounce. The first one is genre, and the second one is examine. Instead of examine or something like examine. Examine and genre. G-E-N-R-E. Genre. It's a French word actually. We use it in English, so we pronounce it in French style. Genre. Okay, thank you. Good job.